How to fix errors and unexpected closures on Adobe Illustrators. The very first thing you want to try doing is restarting Adobe Illustrator. Try forcefully quitting the Illustrator and relaunching it. See if that got the Illustrator to work normally again. Restarting usually clears most error programs to have. Now the next thing you want to do is update Adobe Illustrator. Firstly, open the Adobe Creator Cloud desktop application. Then click on the three-dot icon at the upper right side of the application. Click on Check for App Updates. Then click on Update if it displays beside the app from the checking result. Upon successfully download, reopen the software to see if Illustrator still crashes. If it is still crashing, then you are going to have to try a third option. Remove the third-party plugins. Normally when you install a new program on your Windows, it is added to the list in Program and Feature. So when you decide to uninstall a program, you go to the Programs and Feature list and uninstall from there. So head over to Programs and Features. Locate the Illustrator plugins from the list. Click on Illustrator and then click Uninstall. Close all the programs and files currently opened. On the desktop, right-click Computer and click Properties. Click on System Protection and the System Properties windows will appear. Select Choose a different restore point and then click on Next. Select a time and date from the list and click Next. Programs and drivers installed after that select time and date may not function properly. In that case, you will have to restore them again. Now click on Finish and then Yes to confirm once more. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix errors and unexpected closures on Adobe Illustrator. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.